Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure basic hardware is ready, because the system can only connect if physical components are functional. Once done, turn off airplane mode and enable your Wi-Fi adapter or plug an Ethernet cable. Wired is simpler after a reset. Open Settings and go directly to Network and Internet to view adapters. Make sure the adapter shows Enabled. If not, right-click and Enable. This gets you out of the preliminary checks and into the actual connection steps without wasted time. Now you perform the detailed setup that actually brings up the link. Select your Wi-Fi network, enter the password carefully, and choose to connect automatically if desired. For Ethernet or advanced needs, inspect IP settings. DHCP is simplest, but set a static IP and gateway only if required. Make sure DNS is correct. Use router or public DNS if needed. Once configured, update or reinstall the network driver via Device Manager, so the adapter communicates. Finish by verifying connectivity so you know everything works. Open a terminal or command prompt and ping a known IP, then a domain name to confirm both network and DNS. If you see packet loss or no response, restart the laptop and restart the router. That clears many transient issues. If problems persist, run the built-in network troubleshooter and record any error codes. Those guide specific fixes like resetting TCP/IP, releasing/renewing DHCP, or rolling back a driver. This gives you a clear troubleshooting next step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.